Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix desktop icon missing problem solved. This problem can cause a lot of distress, especially if you rely on the desktop to get quick access to your stored data. In our video, you can find the best solution for quickly restoring your desktop and gaining access to your icon. If you're a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. Right click on an empty space on your desktop. Then select Show More Options. Click on the View option from the context menu to expand the option. Then select Show Desktop Icon. If you're a new member of my channel but have not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe and stay with us. If our video is useful to you, then like the video and share with your friends and family member.
Thanks for watching.